Hey y'all fishing buddies out there. Didn't get to wet a line this past weekend. As you can see here, I was watching this rain and storms and wind coming in, so I kind of called it off from going out. And so Sunday came, raining off and on down there, so the water was way up in the grass too, back in the bay. I made a little video. Some people ask, where do you attach the lanyard for the engine cutoff switch? There's a new law in Texas now. It's called Callie's Law, and so the law went into effect September 1st. And so here's just basically my to keep within the law. All right. Hey, thanks for subscribing. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate the support. If you're not a subscriber, think about hitting that subscribe button. They're all over the place. If you can subscribe, it's helpful. Thanks a lot, and hopefully get back on the water next weekend. Tight lines to y'all.
The new law, where to put your lanyard, right? So me, I slip it right around my wrist like that. What other options do you have? You can connect it to your life vest if you're a life vest wearer, right like that. Boom, it's done. You gotta keep your life vest on, of course. You hook it to your belt loop. You got a belt loop on your pants. Yeah, that works too. So here's the thing, I put mine around the wrist because if I have it attached somewhere over here and I stand up and I turn around to check something out, then boom, I don't have much room. I'll pull that out. Whereas if I get it around my wrist, I've got that much extra room to mess around with, right? So here I'm standing over here. If I move back here, I'm even standing over here. And the reason I don't want it to pop out if I'm not in the water is because it's a real pain to get it back in there and get going again. So just to make it easier, that gives me more room to run around. If I do not have it connected here or here, but I do have it connected around my wrist, I just end up with more room to roam with it on my wrist than with it attached to my pants or my life jacket. I always wear my life jacket, so it does have a handy little clip there, but that limits the distance before this pulls out. So that is my take on it. Of course, it's just personal opinion. Do what you like. I like it around my wrist.